Singapore is fast becoming a global leader in AI and digital transformation. At the heart of the movement, BDx Data Centers, a homegrown AI innovator, empowers AI workloads with cutting-edge infrastructure and strategic partnerships that drive sustainable growth.
AI growth in Asia, or for that matter, any market, has a few building blocks to it. The first building block is to have the infrastructure which will house the equipment which creates AI. That infrastructure is data centers. That's what we do. That's who we are.
With NVIDIA-certified AI infrastructure and an AI quantum test bed, BDx is democratizing access to artificial intelligence and quantum computing.
We, in this facility, are going to host a quantum computer setup, which will help further the ecosystem inside of Singapore to be able to always stay ahead on the AI and advanced computing ecosystems.
The rise of AI and quantum computing requires data centers to evolve sustainably. BDx is leading this change with energy-efficient solutions and a commitment to renewable energy projects through partnerships with Hexa Renewables to bring more clean energy into Singapore.
Our contribution to it is what is called additionality. So we are going to structure our commitment to this renewable energy project to make sure that the project gets viable. That is the risk that we are willing to take. Think of it like our commitment.
Another aspect of enhancing AI infrastructure is connectivity. BDx has partnered with Lightstorm for a cable landing station for greater connectivity and digital resilience.
We are going to have very, very dense network connectivity within the country and around outside of the country to the rest of the region and the world.
In Singapore, BDx is creating an AI test bed within its data center building, providing valuable resources for startups in the local AI ecosystem to experiment and innovate.
Data center, sustainability, network connectivity, and supporting the local ecosystem with our AI test bed is the way we see ourselves to be contributing for the AI infrastructure in the country. And of course, we continue to engage closely with the ecosystem to find out more ways of doing that.
BDx has been collaborating with the IMDA on policies around tropical data center standards and the temperature increase program to raise the operating temperatures in data centers and thereby energy efficiency.
We've also engaged the ecosystem within Singapore and outside internationally to bring in new technologies that will enhance the current demands of AI.
BDx partners with local startups to pilot innovative, sustainable solutions for data centers. Working with Red Dot Analytics, they optimize power use, whilst HydroLeap helps cut wastewater, reducing WUE by 35%, well below regulatory limits. However, the most difficult part in engaging AI is the amount of energy it consumes. Cooling is one of the toughest things to engage efficiently.
We've worked with international players like Zuta Core and Excelsior to position the research together with IMDA. And this research is going to be done in our data centers here.
As Singapore cements its position as a leader in AI, BDx continues to push the boundaries of innovation, building infrastructure that is not only powerful, but also sustainable, connected, and future-ready.